Today we will check out the Mother's Day Better free gift ideas for 2019. Ask yourself, are all gift ideas for mothers in their 30s, 50s, and 70s equal? Maybe, or maybe not. Mother's Day gifts on Mother's Day in 2019 can be different. This gift for Mom video gift guide will ask you to consider what your mother really desires for this year's Mother's Day. Last year for Mother's Day gift ideas, you did do-it-yourself gifts, perhaps. But this year, you have your thinking hat on for Mother's Day gift ideas. This gift guide will help you to make Mother's Day 2019 special. Consider your Mother's Day ideas search complete for any mom at any age. Without motherhood, none of us would be here, agree? Mothers who work outside of their home and mothers who stay at home both need thoughtful gifts in 2019 for Mother's Day. Again, agree? Even if you are crazy busy every day and resort to last-minute Mother's Day gifts, the following suggestion will still be appreciated even post-Mother's Day, in my opinion. This Mother's Day gift guide mentioned free gifts, which will work well for someone looking for easy Mother's Day gifts or gifts on a budget for their mom, because free is free, agree? Last year, my youngest son gave my wife a Mother's Day gift that she has used every day since then. She says, "It's the most useful gift a hardworking mother could ever receive." The really cool thing is, even though he spent money to buy his mom previous Mother's Day gifts over the last decade, he got this gift for Mom totally free. You see, my son saw that his mother suffered with constant lower back pain every day since she became, oops-a-daisy, I almost divulged my wife's age publicly. Not going there today. Let's just say she is somewhere in the third category mentioned above. If you are still considering what gift for your own mother might be highly appreciated on 2019 Mother's Day, then click on Show More in the description section of this video. And have a look at what you can get your mother for free for her 2019 Mother's Day present. You can ask me any question you like in the comments section below about this, since my wife has been appreciating this for nearly a year now. Be sure to give me a comment or ask me a question. We wish your mother a very happy Mother's Day in 2019 and each year after. Go to the Show More section now to access the free gift.